Hello guys, and today we're gonna teach you how to follow an adventure map. First of all, you're gonna want to look at your adventure map. Right, firstly on Minecraft forums. Or do something. Okay. Right here. I'm going to sure map. You can do any adventure map between 4.3 and 1.8. Doesn't matter really. Let's do this one. Page 1. That's it. Yeah, it's watch. Let's watch it. Have a link. You kind of want to get the direct download, but it's good to wait. Anyway, save to anything. Let's save to my downloads. Oops. So here. Wait a second. Take a couple seconds, so it's gonna go on download. Now we'll go back to Minecraft forums. No, you don't have to really. You can. You go to your library or download. Find it. Right here. Go to. Oh, that's not really have to if you're always open up in warm. Or really isn't. Down here. You want to go to app date. Go in here. Go to saves. You want to make a new folder. In that folder, go to here. Okay, it doesn't work. This no. This is how I do it. You did all this, and then here. There you go. Go to your Minecraft. Minecraft may take a while, so I'm gonna hop it came out. The game. Okay, one here, and this is it. Probably my selected world, and you're here. I'm in this whole thing. Let's try to make an adventure map.